Hello students, we have completed present tense. Four subtypes of present tense we have completed. Today I am going to start past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense is used to express the events or action of the past. Past indefinite tense is used to express the events and action of the past. Now, affirmative sentences. How we make affirmative sentences? Second form of verb is used in all subjects. When we make affirmative sentences, what we do? Second form of verb is used in all subjects. In all subjects, second form of main verb is used in all subjects. Another point, no helping verb is used in affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, no helping verb is used. The pattern is this: subject plus verb second form plus object plus adverb, time adverbial. And last full stop. Example, they went to office. They is a subject, went is a verb second form, office is a object. Okay. Negative sentences. How we make negative sentences? Helping verb did. In negative sentences, we use did helping verb. Main verb, as a main verb, we use verbs first form. As a main verb, we use verbs first form. In negative sentences, the helping verb is used did with all subjects. Okay. Now, pattern is this: subject plus did not plus verbs first form plus object plus adverb. Adverb and adverbial. Last full stop. He, look example, he did not play hockey. He is a subject, did is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense, play is a verbs first form, hockey is a object. Yesterday is a time adverbial. He did not play hockey yesterday. Another example is the boys did not learn their lesson. The boys is a subject, did is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense, learn is verbs first form. Their lesson, object. Okay. So students, in negative sentences, we use helping verb, did, main verb, verbs first form. As a main verb, we use verbs first form. Look, interrogative sentences. How we make interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences which starts from helping verb, means yes and no type sentences. Did helping verb comes first plus subject plus verbs first form plus object plus adverb, last interrogative sign. Students, look examples of interrogative sentences. Did your sister sing a song yesterday? Did is a helping verb, your sister is a subject, sing verbs first form, a song object, yesterday is a time adverbial. It last interrogative sign. Students, in interrogative sentences, interrogative sign is must. Another example is, did the peon ring the bell? Did the peon ring the bell? It is a helping verb. The peon is a subject, ring is a verb's first form, the bell is a object. It last interrogative sign. Third example, where did he go yesterday? Interrogative sign. This is a WH word type interrogative sentence. When we make WH word type interrogative sentence, what we do? We write WH word first. After that, helping verb. After that, we write subject. After that, verbs first form. After verbs first form, we use time adverbial. It last interrogative sign. Interrogative sign is must in interrogative sentences. And fourth is interrogative negative sentences. Students, how we make interrogative negative sentences? The structure is this: did plus subject plus not plus verbs first read your letter? Did he not read your letter? At last interrogative sign. Did is a helping verb. He is a subject. Not is used for negative sense. Read is a verb's first form. Your letter is a object. At last interrogative sign. Students, in interrogative sentences, we use in interrogative negative sentences we use not after the subject. Look students, this is an example of WH word type interrogative negative sentence. So look, why did you not buy new dress? Last interrogative sign. Why did you not buy new dress? Why is the WH word? After WH word, helping verb. It is a helping verb. Use the subject. And after you use not. Not is used for negative sense. Buy is verb's first form. New dress is the object. It last interrogative sign. Students, uses of past indefinite tense to express the action of the past. We use past indefinite tense to express the action of the past. Past action को express करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Past indefinite tense. We use past indefinite tense to express the action of the past. And second uses time adverbials which denote that the event is related to the past. These time adverbials are last night, last year, last month, last week, last, long ago, sometime back, yesterday, once, in 2016, ago, etc. Okay, students.